नमस्कार। प्रस्तुत कविता हमर अछि हम नारी छी। हाँ, हम नारी छी, ई अपराध हमर तऽ नहि। एहि कविताके हमर बहुचर्चित कविता ई अछि हमर। एहि कविताके अनुवाद 22 भाषामे भऽ चुकल छै। एकर पाठ भेल रहै ऑल इंडिया रेडियोसँ 24 भाषाके भेल रहै प्रोग्राम कलकत्तामे। तखने जे छै से एकर अनुवाद भेल रहै ओतेक भाषामे। तऽ ओकर अंग्रेजी अनुवाद जे छपलै हैं सॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम द सी शोर, एहि किताबमे से ओकर इंग्लिश अनुवाद छपलै है मैं नारी हूँ। आ ई इंग्लिश अनुवाद केने छथिन डॉक्टर जया वर्मा, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटीमे छथिन प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर जया वर्मा। ई इंग्लिश अनुवाद केने छथिन मैं नारी हूँ। वुमेन, आई एम ए वुमेन, आई एम ए वुमेन is not my misdemeanor. I am a woman is not my misdemeanor. Yes, yes, I am a woman. Yes, I am a woman. Your writing has catapulted me. Your writing has catapulted me to the cultural height. Your writing has catapulted me to the cultural height, not just as a human being, not just as a human being living on the earth, but as the goddess, but as the goddess at the pedestal, but as the goddess at the pedestal. At the same time, you have made me, at the same time, you have made me screech laceminating. You have made me screech laceminating the heart of Tartarus. The heart of Tartarus, upsurging Kosi's uproar. Upsurging Kosi's uproar on nature's face. Upsurging Kosi's uproar on nature's face. Sometimes upsurging Kosi's uproar on nature's face, falling on lips, sometimes autumn morning, sometimes winter's cold nights, sometimes winter cold nights. Whenever I see my face in the mirror, whenever I see my face in the mirror, Sita's distressed shadow. Whenever I see my face in the mirror, Sita's distressed shadow trembles on my eyelids. Sita's distressed shadow trembles in my eyelids. My aanchal is not filled with moon and stars. My aanchal is not filled with moon and stars, but with Rahu and Ketu. But with Rahu and Ketu, but not now. But not now. But not now. No more the blowing wind will pollute women. No more the blowing wind will pollute women. Now I realize we are made of the same nature. We are made of the same nature. Nature has made women tender and delicate. Nature has made women tender and delicate. Then why only am I guilty? Then why only am I guilty? Now the time has changed. Now the time has changed. The country's freedom has entered. The country's freedom has entered into woman's inner self. Now the time has changed. The country's freedom has entered into woman's inner self, spreading bright sunshine, illuminating their inner and outer domain. Now the time has changed. Now the time has changed. The country's freedom has entered into woman's inner self, spreading bright sunshine, illuminating their inner and outer domain, dreaming to touch the sky, demolishing tradition, counter tradition, creating new sun rays in the reconstructed sky, demolishing tradition, counter tradition, tradition after tradition, demolishing and creating new sun rays in the reconstructed sky, by the women. Women are marching ahead. Women are marching ahead, but still now, at my devotion, bearing everything I conceive and create, I give you birth, but it is you bearing everything, I conceive and create, I give you birth, but it's you who becomes God. What a fun, bearing everything. I give you birth, bearing everything. I give you birth, but it's you. At last it's you who becomes God. Thank you.